This is TechCrunch. Limitless, the AI startup formerly known as Rewind, has been acquired by Meta, the company announced on Friday on its website. The company, which made an AI powered pendant to record your conversations, says it will no longer sell its hardware devices and will remain support for its existing customers for a year. Customers will no longer have to pay a subscription fee and will be moved to the unlimited plan for the time being. Other functionality will be wound down, including its non pendant software, Rewind, which recorded users' desktop activity and turned it into a searchable record. The startup, founded by Brett Bachek and Dan Soroker, the co-founder and former chief executive of Optimizely, pivoted to become an AI device maker last year, offering its Limitless pendant for $99. The wearable could attach to your shirt like a wireless mic or be worn like a necklace. The device is one of several AI hardware devices on the market, including another not very well received AI pendant known as Friend. According to Limitless's announcement, the company shares in Meta's vision to bring personal superintelligence to everyone, which includes building AI-enabled wearables. Meta is focused for now on AR AI glasses like its Ray-Ban Meta and Oakley Meta, and its in-lens AI glasses, the Meta Ray-Ban display. Limitless said it will help bring that vision to life, which likely means supporting Meta's existing products, not helping Meta add an AI pendant to its lineup. The company hinted that the increased competition in the market made it difficult for it to compete, especially as the larger players like OpenAI and Meta are developing their own hardware devices too. Soroker wrote in an announcement, "When we started Limitless 5 years ago, the world was very different. AI was a pipe dream to many. Hardware startups were considered unfundable, and a business that did both AI and hardware would have been considered ludicrous. But today, it's different. The world has changed. We're no longer working on a weird fringe idea. We're building a future that now seems inevitable. We're not alone." Meta shared the following statement with TechCrunch via email, saying, "We're excited that Limitless will be joining Meta to help accelerate our work to build AI-enabled wearables." The tech giant did not share any further information about its plans, beyond noting that the team will work in the wearables organization of Reality Labs. Limitless will offer its customers a way to export their data, or users can choose to delete their data from within the app. The startup had raised more than $33 million in funding from investors, including Andreessen Horowitz, First Round Capital, and NEA. Is it time to refound your startup? Well, Anthony Ha asks that question in a TechCrunch article. It can be found at techcrunch.com. Sometimes founding a startup just once isn't enough. At least that seems to be the case with companies like Airtable, Handshake, and OpenDoor, which all announced in recent months that they are refounding. As reported in the New York Times, these announcements are usually tied to new business models or the launch of new AI products. For example, Airtable said back in June that instead of just adding more AI capabilities to its existing platform, they treated this like a refounding moment for the company. The startup's co-founder and CEO Howie Liu told the New York Times that this is not a pivot because it's not about changing direction after getting something wrong. Liu said the company considered calling it a relaunch or transformation, but ultimately chose the language of founding because the stakes feel the same. Similarly, Handshake's chief marketing officer, Catherine Kelly, said the company is trying to bring startup culture back into an existing business. That can also mean harder work. Kelly said Handshake told employees they have to be back in the office 5 days a week, operating with a pace and number of hours that is meaningful and will help us hit goals. That's it from TechCrunch. For more articles like these, go to TechCrunch.com.